Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. For today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to fix Minecraft launcher not opening on PC. First thing you need to do is open the task manager, right-click on the start icon below, and choose Task Manager. In the Processes tab, make sure to close all the Minecraft game and launcher from running in the background, as you can see on the screen. After that, click on the search bar icon and type Settings, then open it. In the Settings, click on the Apps, then click on the Apps and Features. Now here, make sure that the filter is on the All Drives. Now on the search bar, search for Minecraft Launcher. Click on the launcher and select the Advanced options. Here, scroll down until you see the Repair button. Then click it. Wait for it to finish checking if there is any missing files or corrupted files. Then it will be repaired automatically. After that, go back to Settings and navigate to the Windows Update tab. Now click on Check for Updates or download or install now to update your Windows to the latest version. If problem persists, then try to update your graphics driver to the latest version. To do that, click on the search icon below and then search for Device Manager and open it. In the Device Manager window, expand the display adapters. Now right-click on the graphics card that you are using. Then select Update Driver in the pop-up menu. In here, click on the Search automatically for drivers and wait for it to finish. If the Minecraft launcher is still not opening, then you need to uninstall and reinstall the launcher to your system. It is recommended to install the Minecraft launcher using your Microsoft Store and Microsoft account. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them below, and we'll see you on the next video.